Forgotten username recovery failed on MoneyLion App Fix. If you've tried recovering your MoneyLion username and keep running into issues, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong by entering the wrong email or skipping essential verification steps. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the MoneyLion app or go to the login page and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. MoneyLion will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all folders in your email, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails sometimes land in unexpected locations. Avoid multiple requests in a short period, as this can temporarily block access. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification information like your full name, date of birth, and recent transactions. Contact MoneyLion support directly with these details to expedite recovery. Step 4. Once you've regained your username, store it safely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication provides extra protection, preventing future login problems. By following these steps, you can quickly regain access to your MoneyLion account. Proper verification and secure credential management are key to keeping your financial data safe and accessible.